go. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. This is just a quick update on the Peter Scale Hobby Japanese tuner group build. As you can see, I now have all of the decals on the body. Yes, it took me 2 sets of decals to do it, but I got there. So I've done a few other bits. I've sprayed the chassis, I've sprayed the fire bottles. I've literally just got to detail them and put the decals on those. I've also put the decals on the top and the bottom of the wing, also on the sides. Other than that, that's about it. I just want to thank you guys for watching and subscribing. I really appreciate it, and that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.